Good morning, everyone. So we are back and we are live. So currently we found a trade on EURZD, and on the 15 minutes we have a down trade going downwards. So I'm trying to place the stop loss right now. So this should be the stop loss. So we placed two trades. We placed two trades Euro NZD on a sell, and if you look closely, the 15 minutes we have no green box anywhere to be located, no green box anywhere. So this market is on a massive downtrend, massive downtrend. You enter the trade, you ride the trend. So we have another strategy we use on this indicator. It is called the strategy 2, the trend strategy. How does this strategy work? You place a trade on a downtrend. Since we don't have any arrow in the money zone, this is what they call the money zone. This is London section and half of New York section. So this it comprises of this box, the money zone. So since we don't have any bounce arrow go strategy on the money zone on the 15 minutes, we're going to go down to the 5 minutes so we can see if we can find any arrow. Booyah, we have an arrow on the 5 minutes, and it is the bounce arrow go strategy, and it moves down a little bit of pips. It moved down. Let me check. It moves down. It moves down. Okay. So it popped up here and it moved down. How many pips? It moved down 26 pips before it reversed. And then I placed the trade on the sell. I placed the trade on the sell, and now it has moved down 28 pips. So we're on a massive downtrend. We're a massive downtrend, and this market is going to be profitable. It's going to be profitable. So I placed a trade, two trades, and I'm risking 50 pips per trade, and then I'm aiming for 100 pips. I'm aiming for 100 pips. I've checked the daily time frame. And I can see that the support from where I entered the market right now is close to 200 pips. But I won't be a greedy, you see. So the support is 207 pips. The next support is 277 pips. If I go down to 4 hours, I can't see any support there. Even if I adjust, I can't see any support. So we're on a smooth selling down trend, like smoothly selling down trend. Even on 1 hour, the same thing implies. So I'm going to just stick to my 15 minutes. Then I'm going to adjust my trade 100 pips below, 100 pips, 100 pips. Okay, I got 100 pips. So we have 200 pips to go, but I'm taking half of it. Meanwhile, I placed two trades. So if the first trade gives me 100 pips profit, I'll scale up with the other one. I'll lock profits with the other trade and scale up. That is actually growing the account way beyond my aim for the day, or my aim for the week, or my aim for the month. So every day you're meant to have a monthly target or a daily target or a weekly target. Our advice not have daily target, it will pressure you to put in more or enter more trades. So we have that on Euro NZ, the downtrend. I'm on the sell. So this is GBP JPY. I got a signal on GBP JPY, or was it GBP chef? Okay, so if it was GBP chef, we have a buy, and it is close to the resistance and close to the support. So we're consolidating right now. For the past, okay, yesterday the market was consolidating. Currently today the market is still consolidating. So no move on GBP chef. Why GBP USD? Wow, we have a smooth trade. Yeah, smooth one. So we have the bounce arrow go strategy there. So first of all, let us zoom out. Let us zoom out and know, is this an uptrend or a downtrend? Is this an uptrend or a downtrend? Okay, good. We're on a good uptrend market. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green boxes and 1 red box. So this is on the 15 minutes time frame. We don't want to hold on to the trade that long. So we have a bounce, we have an arrow. That is, the market went from a red to a green arrow, and then we have a buying opportunity. Let me check. Let me check for the next. Okay, the next resistance point is for 54 pips away, and if I'm to place my stop loss is meant to be 40 pips below. So here will be my stop loss. Okay, and I'll be aiming for 20 pips. I'll aim for 20 pips above. But let me check out when this arrow popped up. How far has this market gone? The market has gone 31 pips. Let me zoom in more. Okay, good. So since the arrow popped up, since the arrow popped up, let me say we placed our trade here on a buy, and the market has gone, wow, 37 pips, but it came back and reversed. It hasn't given any drawdown though, and I can see a doji candle. Can see a doji candle which is indecision. So we have more opportunity for the upside. So I'm taking this on micro loss instead of standard. So I'm putting a buy. Then I'll analyze. I'll move this 40 pips below, 40 pips, and then 20 pips above. This is a very volatile pair. So yeah, the next highest high is our take profit. So let me check other pairs. 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 Okay. This is JPY. It's currently on the resistance zone. It has not left that resistance zone, so we don't have any opportunity there right now. So wow, this is GPNZD. Since NZD is massively weak and the market is selling, let me go down to the 1 hour. We don't have any support level there on the 1 hour. GPNZD too. So Euro NZD is selling GPNZ. I think I'll check out everything NZD now. So on the 30 minutes, okay, I can see a support on the 1 hour, and on 30 minutes I think I can see support. Good, good. So this is a good result. Meanwhile, on the 30 minutes we have a sell arrow here. So continuously the market has been trending downwards. It has not crossed above this EMA. So we're selling, and we have our next support. We have our next support, that is 143 pips. Let me see if I can find any on 15 minutes. No, no, none to be found. None to be found. So, okay, let's got some trades. This BNB, BNB. I don't need any BNB. That's crypto, crypto. So, we move to 4 hours. 4 hours. Let me load up my templates. So I save this template here. It's the settings I use for the arrow indicator. I just saved it so I don't have to stress myself to always set it all the time. It leaves my chart. So I just click and it falls back up. Okay. On the 4 hours, we have a support. This is a good result. So, and the support is 100 pips. So I think I'll place this trade. I'll sell, I'll sell twice, and then I'll modify. I'll risk 50. So on the 4 hours, our next support is, so I'll be aiming for 100 pips. So 1:2, risking 50 to get 100. So let me go down gradually and see that it doesn't affect the rest. So on 1 hour, good. So on 1 hour, we have more than 100 pips to move down. We have more than 100 pips. Top down analysis right now. This top down. So 136. Then we'll go down to 30 minutes. We analyze. We go down 30 minutes and we analyze. So if I move it from here, so it is 151 pips. I'll go down to 15 minutes and I try to find a support level. None to be found. So we're good to write that trade for a sell. We're good to write that trade for a sell. So I'm monitoring it on my 15 minutes chart. Or let me monitor it on the 30 minutes because that's where I have a support instead. I'll monitor it here. So if any green arrow pop up, no green arrow is going to pop up till it gets to the support. That's just it. No green arrow is going to pop up to it gets to this support. So we have just got uh two trades, GBP sell, Euro NZD sell, and a trade on GBP USD, a buy. So so far the market has not moved up yet. So we'll go down, we'll scale down. Let's check GP card. GP card is a buy, a bounce. Okay, let's check the trend first. Let's check the trend. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 red, and how many green? 1, 2, 3, 3 green boxes. I think that's all. I think that's all. So we're on a downtrend. But that doesn't mean we can't trade against the trend. That is what they call counter trading, and we're meant to do counter trading when New York session opens. You don't do counter trading when GP session is open because the rule of trading is that London session establishes a trend. London session establishes a trend. Then when New York session opens, it has two decisions to make: either continue the trend or go against the trend. I repeat, London session establishes a trend, and you can see this trend on 15 minutes chart. 15 minutes chart every day, and it's found in the money zone. London session to New York session, half of New York session consists of 80% of the $6.3 trillion of the forex market. So that's why there is much more volatility, and that's why scalpers trade on 15 minutes. So since London session has established a trend and New York session has opened up, it is up to New York session to say, okay, do I continue this trend or do I go against the trend? So it is on New York session that if you see a counter trend trade, you're good to go. You're good to place the trade. So, and I introduced two trading strategies on this indicator. The bounce arrow go strategy. We consider a bounce of a resistance and an arrow comes out for a sell, and then you place a sell. If you bounce off a support and an arrow comes up for a buy, you place a buy. It's as easy as that. A 10 years old boy can do that. So this is GBP AUD. Oh god, GBP AUD is selling smoothly too. Let me check the 1 hour. Okay, we're close to a support. So how many people do have to sell downwards? Not much, not much, just 46. I'm not taking that trade. If I'm placing a trade on 1 hour, I've changed from a scalper to a day trader, and a day trader is looking for let me say 50 pips. 50 pips. Okay, if eventually on 4 hours it's close to the support, so I'm not placing that trade. The day trade is meant to 50 pips. So since you're close to your support, I'm not going to place that trade. So let's check out, okay, Euro GBP. Well, they are close to support and resistance, consolidating, ranging. So let me see. No, this is a very volatile market. Euro and GBP. No, nothing there, nothing there, no opportunity there. So let's check Euro USD. Wow. Okay, okay, okay. This is good. So let me load up my templates. On the daily time frame, we're almost close to the resistance. So, but let me see this daily time frame. So resistance is meant to be huge. Yeah, okay, just 42 pips, 42 pips, and why we can't see it here is it's close somewhere above. It's close somewhere above. Well, although it's on the daily, it might extend more than 42 pips. And there is this strategy you can also play out on this. It is called the money zone breakout. The money zone breakout. Since this was the previous highest high of yesterday's money zone, and market has broken above that money zone, we could have placed this trade as soon as it broke above this money zone. But if we had done that, we would have gone for a very big drawdown the first time it did that. So we're meant to do it whenever it breaks above this current money zone and enters the next day's money zone. It's called money zone breakout. So this is the money highest high of yesterday's money zone. And then you see, we even got an arrow. As soon as it broke, we got an arrow for a buy. This is bounce, arrow, go. And if you had placed that trade, this morning you could have just cut yourself 40 pips. Wonderful 40 pips trade. So since we missed the opportunity, we're going to go down to the 5 minutes. Let me see if we can. Okay, there's a resistance there. There's a resistance that just turned the market the opposite direction. So we're looking for another buy opportunity. Looking for another buy opportunity. I think that it will pop up on the 5 minutes. It's pop up on the 5 minutes. So I'll leave that there so I can get some signals. So down to Euro AUD is going to be the same thing with GBP AUD. And this is Euro JPY. Wow, it's moved really, really fast, and it's obeyed our principle. They have the bounce, they have the arrow, and we have the go. So if we had aimed for 20 pips, we would have made it and we're out of the market. So Euro NZD, okay, we place this trade on the sell. I don't know. Yeah. So we have a trade on GBP JPY, GP chef. We have a trade on GP chef. I think GP chef is within the zone. With a sell trade and market has been consolidated. Let us see how far the market price is next day. Okay, it has 20 pips move. Oh. It has 20 pips move, and let me check the trend. Let me check the trend of the market. The trend of the market is uptrend. The trend of the market is uptrend. And meanwhile, I caught this buy trade. That was last week. I caught this buy trade here, and the trade has been going my direction. And right now, I think what goes up must come down. So I'll be closing that GP check trade. Okay, so GPNZD is selling. You place a trade on GPNZD and also GBP Euro NZD. So GPNZD is selling smoothly, and we're watching out for Euro NZD to sell too. What's going on? There's a reversal occurring. So we also have a buy trade here. Okay, this trade is giving us a drawdown, giving us a massive drawdown. So on a buy opportunity right now, we also had our bounce arrow go strategy, and the market's on a massive uptrend. So it either takes us out on 40 or gives us a profit of 20. I'm not placing this GBP check trade on a sell. I'm not placing it. I need more room. I need more room. Market has been consolidating for some while, and then this is an uptrend scenario. So me placing a sell trade here, market could just reverse. So I need more room, and also I need to go along with the trend. Since there is no room there, I have to go along with the trend. I have to just need to go along with the trend. So that's it for today. Wow, good.